Hello, and it's Joe from EV Help, and today we're at the BP Pulse 150 kilowatts provided by ABB. So at the moment the screen is on standby, so as you can see there's an ABB screensaver. So to wake the unit up, all you've got to do, click on the screen and it will say welcome. So you've got CCS and CHAdeMO. Just like the 50 kilowatts, you can only charge one cable, one car at a time. So if someone's on CCS and you think you can nick the CHAdeMO and park next to them, forget about it, it won't work. So today we're going to go CCS. So you hit the CCS button, it will say connect, and you've got a start, hit start. Now with these you can pick contactless or RFID, so we're going to do both, but to start off with we're going to do RFID, so the membership card. Now it says keep your RFID card held on the tag in front of the reader. Now what I've noticed with these is you've got to hold it for a very long time, so if you keep that held, you hear a beep, I'd keep it held, and then it'll say you are allowed to now start charging. So at that point we grab the CCS cable, we run it over to the van today, plug it in, you've got the same green light, and then it goes to yellow and it will say preparing. So this is when it's starting to talk to the server. You'll hear the clonks from the power packs at the back, hear a couple of clicks and whines. And then there we have it. You've got your percentage bar, you've got your kilowatts supplied, you've got how long you've been plugged in for, and the rate you're getting. So I'll be getting 31 kilowatts, it's delivered 0.65, and there we have it. That's how you charge on the membership on the 150s. Nice and simple. Now to stop the charge, quite simple. You come over to the screen, you hit your stop button, and it's the same as the start. I'd hold it there for a nice long time. You are now allowed to stop charging, and there we have it. Charging is stopped, you've heard the clunks at the back, and then you can release the cable. Now to use the contactless on the 150s is exactly the same as the membership card. So you come over, you pick your plug, that was from the previous charge. So hit start, card payment, continue. Please follow the instructions on the payment terminal. This is the payment terminal and it will take a minimum of £30 deposit. So you tap your contactless, you see the green lights come across, and then it will say please wait, and then it will ask you for a £30 deposit, and then please follow the instructions. You're now allowed to start charging. So at that point you pick your cable up, plug it into the car, and away you go. So while my van continues to charge, I'd just like to say a big thank you. Please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next how-to.